You step out, get some in now, flip to edge.
Okay, besties, we back and we looking good as fuck. Okay, we finna go out today. It's Friday, July 19th, a whole week later from whatever the fuck y'all seen. Shit, I don't know what's the last thing I was doing. I was supposed to be doing hair and shit, but y'all, oh my god, last week I did 2 small knotless braids and one of them had boho hair, but it came out so freaking cute. Now we finna go to Ripley's, believe it or not, and I am motherfucking ready because I always been wanting to go to this place. Like every time I pass by the Grand Prairie, I always be like, bro, I want to go to that place. Like the way it just looks, it's just like I want to go there. Like it's just so attractive, and I just always want to go. And then if you know what it is, like you kind of know what it is. I looked it up. It's kind of like a wax museum and shit like that. And I seen that they do hand wax, so we gonna get some hand wax. Okay, that'd be real nice. It'd be real fun. But y'all coming along with me so we can experience this place together. It's our first time going, and I'm excited. And then after that, we're gonna go out to eat. But y'all, let me tell y'all something. I am the worst person to tell. I mean, I am the worst person to ask to find something to eat, to find a restaurant to eat at in Dallas. Like it's not shit in Dallas to me. Like I don't go to restaurants. I don't know what the fuck. But my girl asked me to find a place to eat at, and I set a place, but she said we already been there, so she didn't want to go back there. She wanted to do something new. But what do Dallas have? Like, come on now. Like, if y'all got some Dallas restaurants, comment down below. Let me know, because I've been in Dallas for 25 years, and the restaurants that I try are probably the only restaurants that I probably would just like go to like randomly when I go out, like, you know, every now and then. But we're a restaurant there with good drinks and shit. Like, where the drinks at? Where the cocktails at? Where the happy hour? Where the day parties? Like, Dallas, what's going on?
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Okay, go, come on.
I got more people got money than this.
You gonna scan it? Yeah. You get it? No. You need to do it now. You need to, yeah. Okay. We hear y'all. Here you go. We gonna set that guy in here. Open it. Oh, bro, I was gonna pop up. I thought it was gonna pop up too.
It's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong
with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Girl, if he's standing the fuck up. Girl, if he start walking, I'm running. I need you to sit down, sir. Damn, more though. More though. But that's some rings. Now this motherfucker is scary. That's because he is. Babe, he looks so fucking scary. I'm finna leave your ass. Come on. Come on before I leave you. Damn, no, long neck ass.
Bro, I was just watching something there.
Oh, damn. Fuck, they don't take credit card. Oh, they do. It's a 5 each for 4. $5 each or 4 for 15. We finna get one. So how we know what we gonna get?
I'm making a change.
So look up the top 4. Oh. We just gonna get all 4. Two for you, 2 for me. Which one you want, baby? I just gotta get it. He said, oh Lord, like what the fuck did you bring me to? It's like pluck the jewel from the eye socket of. Is they for real? Oh, babe, I'm not doing that. I'm not putting my hand. Then our hand gets stuck in that shit. You gonna try it? You look like you wanna try it. It is. I'm scared. That shit just close in on your Indiana Jones. Babe.
Yeah, I got one
The
Lord, got
Lost
one in that day, the only
Temple.
two. Man, how many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posted this side. Need the eyes and the twins, it's only the real.
I'm weak, so you been back there? Huh? Which way we go? Look at this, what's this? Bug Briscoe? You can eat that shit? You wanna eat a bug, babe? Babe, you scared me, my legs are shaking. Do we go there? Ooh, look at that. Oh shit! Wait, it's no, but it feels like it. Go. You go. That step right there. That's what I'm saying. Okay, do me. Okay, I'm trying to go. Okay. Wait, if I sit there too long, I'm gonna start going with it. Drunk shit. Like you gotta bro, it really makes you dizzy. It makes you just feel like you falling. But you're not. Just hold on to the rails. Come on, I got you. I'll record you. Now you gotta come back. Yes.
Hey, yeah, I got one Lord, got one in the day, only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted this side. Need a house and the twins, it's only the real.
Go ahead. Okay, ready? This is crazy.
giving your chain away. It's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is the road that I gone into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't hold you, I'm only you. I got one bitch, you got one in the name, the only two. And how many times have I shown it? And how many times I've been woke, swerving the pot.
Oh shit!
Funny how life goes. He thought he was his nose, okay. As soon as you give him your soul, he's telling your soul, okay. They want my life exposed. They want to know about the house.
I can't get it.
Well, some of all I did was rest, okay. And me, all I did was stretch, okay. And Valentine's Day, I had sex, okay. We'll see what's better than legs, okay. Okay, we'll see what's better than legs, okay. Okay,
This is low. I'm not killing nobody. Look at her.
Today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. It's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with the owners do. A boss on the road that I'm going to. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got more than that. The only two. And how many times have I told you the truth? And how many nights I've been woke, swerving up pop holes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. Most of the stock hoes, need a house and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Easy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles.
Now look at your shadow on the wall.
Look at your shadow on the wall. I'm weak. I want to go now.
Please stand on the opposite wall and strike a pose. But don't look into the flash. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look at your shadow on the wall.
Body out of here. Hold on. You gotta get both of us. It's like you shaking that ass on me. Hey! I'm long as fuck. Fuck no.
Giving your chain away. It's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with the owners do. A boss is the road that I gone into.
He probably gonna do it for us because he's sitting right there. Hey. Shit. It's my shit. I hated that bitch when I was a kid. She's so fucking scary. She's mean. She was mean to that girl. Oh my god. I'm finally gonna work to work, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm feeling such a kid again right now. I used to be, this is my favorite movie. That's why the house fell on your wicked ass.
I'm making a change today. The nigga been taking a pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. It's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box that I always do. A boss is the road that I gone into. I love you to death, but I told you to do. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in the day. The only two. How many times have I told you the truth? And how many nights I've been woke, swerving up pop holes, not trying to fuck up the bills, fuck up the deals. Most of the stock homes, need a house and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Easy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I can think my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay. We'll see what's about to happen next, okay. Is that me?
Which way I gotta go? I gotta go through that? Oh, fuck no. Oh, fucking bodies. The biggest bodies. I don't want to touch it. Go! Oh, it's swinging. Ah! I'm scared. I don't know. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
It's kinda like giving your fame away. So I sit in a booth with a honest dude. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. I got one bitch, you got one in the dance, the only two. Man, how many times
Oh
I've shown
shit,
it?
that bitch.
How many nights I've been woke?
Do we gotta go through here?
Funny how life he thought he was sick, now we wiping his
Y'all.
as soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul. They want life to flow, they want to know about the highs and lows. All I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
Girl, daily impression better than. What's the Zulu?
Away. I heard you was giving your chain away. It's kinda like giving your fame away.
Oh shit. Where the fuck do I go?
I love you to death, but I told you to do. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that dance. The whole two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck on the wheels, fuck up the deals. I'm posting the stock, be the owls and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, these men ended it all. I still on the fumbles, I'm on the hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't gonna bundle. I'm gonna win, I'm laying in chocolate chips, and that's the time I make it rumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the six, but there's no need to dress.
Finally! Shit!
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. I got one virtual, got one in that dance, the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?